Right, now what I want to speak to you about today is soldering irons. Now you get the better quality, cheaper nasties, and then you get a soldering station with a variable temperature control. Now the advantage of a variable temperature control is that you can actually adjust the temperature, and the fact that you can adjust the temperature prevents you from lifting tracks. When your soldering iron's too hot, it lifts tracks. So what happens is that if you put this soldering iron, if you put this one on, it will heat up, and it in some cases overheats and it gets too hot. You have got no control over what temperature the tip gets to, and if it gets too hot you can lift tracks, and you can't regulate the temperature. That's basically the biggest problem. Now I will not suggest you buy a soldering iron without the temperature controller. So we move this one out of the way. Then this is probably the best option for a beginner, because it's got a variable temperature controller. So we take it out of its box, move that to the side, and let's loosen that wire. Comes with a tip. Put this in there, and you've got yourself a very nice soldering station with variable temperature control. And this is the soldering iron that I would suggest you buy. I don't particularly like the sharp tip. I like the chisel bit more. But this is 100% for the beginner to solder any PC board, and you can adjust the temperature and you will not lift tracks. If you find this video helpful, please like, please subscribe, click on the little bell so that you can know when I load my next video. And then until next time, thank you, bye bye.